The other tremendous thing with this system is that if you have an iPhone, if you just plug your iPhone with your charging lead into the van, need to turn that down, it'll just keep playing. Let me pause it. So there you go. You've got the sat nav off your phone. You see there, those are the last things I've used. If you click the 8 black squares there, it kind of mirrors the screen on your phone, at least the ones that can be used through CarPlay. And there you go, you've got phone, messages, music, Audible, WhatsApp, you name it. And you can pretty much control them all through Siri as well. You can text using Siri, you can tell it to, or you can put destination in, like, hey Siri,
I'm here.
Navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Wantleydale, Preston.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
There you go, that's a lot easier than
Starting route to Grosvenor Garage.
than trying to
proceed to Chorley Road, then turn right.
program a touchscreen with Mars bar fingers. So it's a great system in this Transit, absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching.